How to customize your home screen on Google Pixel 8. Now we're going to be using Google Pixel 8 Pro, but this should work on Google Pixel 8 and most other Google Pixel phones. So to customize your home page, first you want to tap and hold on the screen till you see this option. Now there's so many things you can do here. First you can change the wallpaper, so you can immediately like start making changes, so you can um, choose different wallpapers, and then you could also go to wallpaper and style. You will see so many options that you can play around with. So there's like the color, there's different colors for the same wallpaper. There's You can go into more wallpapers, and this will show you even more options that you can pick from. There's even AI wallpapers that you can pick from. These are AI generated wallpapers. Then then you can go back and then tap and hold again. You can go to widgets. So widgets are like mini apps. They show you information from different apps that you use on your phone. So we can just show an example here. Click, got it. Now you can browse from the options. Each application have a different widget. So let's say we want to have our calendar on the home screen. So we go to the calendar. So go to the calendar, and then you can see different widgets that you can use. So let's say we have this one. Just tap and hold on it and then place it on the home screen app. Now you can have your calendar in the home screen instead of having to go to the calendar app. You can just go here and see whatever you have on your calendar. Now let's go back again, tap and hold. Now go to home settings. So you can have different settings for your home screen. So there's this option, swipe to access Google app. So this option basically gives you access, like you can swipe right to access a specific application. Now there's different options that you can look at. I'm gonna exit here and then I'm gonna go back to the settings. I'm gonna go to wallpaper and style, and then I'm going to the themed icon. Now it changes the app's icon to just the theme. So it just makes it more basic. It has no coloring. Now if you turn it off, it goes back to the default. Now you can also change different options for the lock screen. So if you want to have the clock at different styles, so you can change it as well. And you can even change the clock size. So here you can set it to small, where you could set it to small or dynamic. So here you can also change the color and change the size as well. So I'm just gonna keep it at default. And there's so many options that you can play around with and you can explore on your own. And this is how to customize your home screen on Google Pixel phones. Thanks for watching.